Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. Thank you so much for my recent supporters. Love you guys. Thank you for coming back and support me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So if you don't follow me on my other social media yet, I'm going to have one of my side here when I be editing my TikTok and my Instagram account, so you guys can follow me there, and the link for my accounts also is in the description of this video. So I'm talking too much, get excited because today's video we're going to be trying something gorgeous. Today's video we're going to be reviewing a gorgeous watch from Ciga design, very beautiful, and they are a company that make excellent, exquisite, elegant, beautiful, fabulous watches. All right, and yeah, Danish design. All right, look how beautiful this box looks. Very beautiful, very well packed. Love the little bow detail here, and the good thing is too is elastic on the back, so you don't have to cut it off. You can remove very easily, and you can put aside and save if you want to reuse it, because it's good for the planet to recycle. Alright, so here is the box, how gorgeous, and I'm going to show you guys how the watch comes. I was so excited when they asked me if I wanted to collab with them. So in the box, gorgeous, stunning. It comes this little paper here telling you a little bit about the Ciga design plus Hosher design. I don't know, it's Danish, I don't speak Danish, but here, if I'm not mistaken, this is the designer of the watch. Hosher design, well-known Danish design agency with a typical fashionable and classic Nordic style, lending the global fashion trend. Numerous successful design work spread all over the North Europe and the United States. In Denmark, Host design can be found almost in all the Danish home, included in the castle of the Queen Margaret, the Crown Prince Frederick, and the Princess Mary. So I'm gonna show you guys how the watch comes. This watch, it's so gorgeous. So here is how the watch came in the box. Just gonna show you guys, and this is the Ciga design watch series R, the Denmark Rose, and it did come with this cute little, I'll show you guys the necklace, really cute and really fast. Come with this little pendant that have like a little, look, I don't know if a diamond or crystal here. Really elegant, really pretty. That's how the watch look like close by. It's very beautiful. And this what look like in the back. I'm going to take it out a little plastic that comes protecting. That's what it look like. And they do have, this watch has other strap, so this one came with the beautiful leather strap. And it is a genuine leather, very beautiful design. And like I say, this is the Denmark Rose design, and it was coming with this little key here, so you can adjust to time. All right, so let's try this beauty on. And this watch has the Chinese technology of Xiaomi. You guys probably are familiar with this Xiaomi. It has a little plastic protecting the glass, so I just remove it now. That's what it looks like without the plastic. Very beautiful very feminine and very delicate, very high-end watch. I do have different strap too, so I'm gonna see if I can separate the metal strap. Very beautiful, gorgeous, very elegant, very nice. Definitely is a piece that if you get this, you're definitely not going to be disappointed. So I'm going to try to put on the necklace. I'm not sure if I'm going to succeed because my long nails, it's very hard for me to put on small things. I have to have somebody else put it on for me, so that you would have. So that's what the necklace and the watch look on together. Very gorgeous, very pretty. Love the aesthetic, very well made. Let me take this beauty down and put it back in the box. Oh, this crystal here is really shiny, very beautiful, very nice. Yeah, so the watch is beautiful. Definitely this watch would make a fabulous gift of any kind. Now the holidays would be a nice gift for your wife, for your mom, for your girlfriend, or for a friend. If you're a nice friend, you would give a nice watch like that. And the Ciga design does have many other different watches, a lot of male watches, very beautiful. And the technology, the design, is just simply and stunning. All right, so you can see the gorgeous detail, look like a rose. Very beautiful, very nice, gorgeous. If you're somebody who appreciates fine watches, this brand have the most beautiful watches for men and women. Gorgeous, stunning. I'm gonna have the link down below for Ciga design, and I'm not sure if I'm going to have a discount code, but if I do, it's going to be on the description of this video. And they do for be fine made watches. They are very well priced. Love the technology on them, gorgeous. All right, so you guys let me know what you thought about the necklace and the watch, and I'm going to link everything on the description of this video about Ciga design. If you guys decided to try them out or just for curiosity, check them out. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much Ciga design for sending me this gorgeous full review. I love it, I appreciate it. I see you guys in the next video. Bye.